Good morning, everyone. Namaste. We are in part 2 in the course, we are in part 2 of 12 laws of the universe. And we are still on law number 6, the law of cause and effect. Every action has a consequence. So it states, of course, you know that when it comes to physical aspects of the world, however, you may not have considered how this law applies to the spiritual aspect of the universe. Your spiritual life affects the world around you, causing positive and negative reactions. Likewise, your physical environment affects your spirituality, for better or for worse. Ask yourself what kind of relationship you see between the spiritual and physical aspects and how you might want to change them. Relatively simple, this law highlights the direct relationship between actions and events. The most important thing to note here is that we usually cannot see the effects immediately, but they will eventually appear. What you put out there may not come back to you in that moment, but the vibration that the energy you put out there has a rippling effect. If you're coming from a place of anger or resentment or jealousy, if you put energy out there, that you'll eventually be affected as a result. Literally, we reap what we sow. Everything we experience in life is the result of a chain event or reaction. The law of cause and effect, also known as the law of karma, stipulates every action will cause a reaction. And no matter what you put in, no matter how good or bad it is, it will come back to you. To take the advantage of the power of this law, be aware of your actions and decisions will affect not only yourself, but everyone around you. So focus on sending out only good vibrations. So I love that. And again, I said yesterday that karma has sped up. So again, it's instantaneously that we will be receiving that. So once you receive something negative, that is not coincidental. That is not something that just happened to you in this life. You are not the victim. What you put out is coming back to you. So stop, reflect, look at your actions for the last 48 hours. What have you been doing? What have you been thinking? What have you been giving out to others? And that, unfortunately, is something you're going to have to tackle and try and do differently the next time. So it does work, guys. I have worked on it and it does work. So they're not just talking, to talk. It is all information that is going to help you to make your life a better life. This is all information that is going to help you to ascend. That is why I'm sharing this information with you, so that you can choose to grow and ascend with me. So I love you all. Have a blessed day and namaste.